the chances of corona attacking, because and everywhere stink in India, no problem, everywhere. And I live by the canal, every day stink, bacteria, our body is already immune. That's why coronavirus also will find it, already there is so much stink here, already trained, what can I do with these bodies? But those who pampered being in India, who are groomed in controlled environment, they are the first victim, you observe. They are the first victim of corona. Those who have cut off from the reality, those who did not live by the canals, those who did not live by the field, those who did not have ACs, and those who did not control refrigerators, they are the last affected. The one who is living in a controlled environment with these gadgets, they are the first affected, if you really see it. Because humoral immunity, constantly your body develops humoral immunity, cell-mediated immunity. If you live like any species, if we live without modifying the environment around us, and our immunity is the highest. Otherwise, your cell-mediated immunity is so weak. Your humoral immunity is so weak. And other day, someone is injected the vaccine, and she is complaining. She is saying, she is great because it is not a dead virus vaccine or weak virus vaccine. It is a vaccine developed by a company in America, and it is a protein. They studied the protein molecule of the coronavirus, 1295, COVID-1295 species. And that protein molecule in the lab they produced, and that protein they injected. It is to develop the resistance to the COVID, corona. And when one of these 24-year-old girl, and I have sent her interview also to my students, and she's interviewed, she was telling, I have a fever, I have fever. Means what? Actually, this vaccine is working, producing antibodies. But to produce antibodies, what is antibody? Where the antibody is produced, they have injected mRNA, messenger RNA. Messenger RNA is a translation, gene programming. And once they injected this, and it is giving RNA, the injected protein is giving an instruction what peptide it should produce, how it can face the coronavirus. To face the coronavirus, a strong terminator it has to produce. To produce the strong terminator of the coronavirus, and the ribosome has to produce. The ribosome in the cell, the ribosome and looks for ribosome is a production engineer. Factory is endoplasma rough. Endoplasma rough reticulum. And where your processed nutrition is stored is endoplasma. If your cell detox is very good, and whatever protein, every day 70 grams protein is dead, and that 17 grams can be rejuvenated if your cellular detoxification system is proper, and your endoplasma smooth it holds all your proteins in the form of amino acids. It is amino acid store. If all amino acids are available, and if the cell plasma will supply for all these amino acids to form a chain, you need all the vitamins, all the minerals you need, and all the essential fatty acids you need. So cell plasma should be rich of all the nutrients. If the cell plasma is rich, it is supplying the enzymes, it is supplying the catalysts, and then these amino acids. So your factory, the endoplasma rough, will produce the desired COVID-19 terminator. Then you won't have, if this cell membrane is having, the cell plasma is having all the nutrients, and if your storehouse, endoplasma smooth, is having all processed amino acids, there is no garbage inside, and the moment this molecule is injected, and immediately antibodies is produced. the fever indication, the inflammation, what it produced, it is not converted into growth, a generation of a new antibody, because the inflammation is, there is no nutrient deficiency, not able to convert the complete inflammation into growth, with the result the girl who ventured, she still has fever. Before you give vaccination, understand vaccination only will work when there is no fever. If there is a fever, if there is a cold, you should never go for vaccination, thumb rule, number one. Number two, after the vaccination, if your child is developing again symptoms of fever, high temperature, lasting more than 12 hours or 16 hours means perhaps, and that vaccination is doing and not very good. And it may not last its effect for a long time. It only indicates the child's or yours, the nutrition is not there. You are presuming your nutrition is there. For these new protein molecules to produce in this laboratory, and they must have synthesized a 36-page synthesis they must have done using a more sophisticated software to produce the peptides, to produce the COVID-19 peptides or 1295, and what kind of nutrition they must have? They must have used very expensive chemicals. And your body does everything automatically, provided all your job is not to buy expensive peptides outside. All that you have to do is, all the cell plasma need to have 100 nutrients if you supply, if it is available, and all the essential amino acids available. That's all. Your body will be in a position to fight any disease. It can produce the terminators, then and there when sensed. It is lack of, why it is not producing? Because when it doesn't have nutrition, when it doesn't have growth factors, immune response has to be converted in growth response. Immunity is not there means growth response is not there. That's why you are dying. Inflammation is killing you. Coronavirus inflammation is killing you. Simple. Understand the science behind it. You see how your RNA functions. And what? Even tomorrow coronavirus vaccine comes. Are you sure? Before vaccine comes, strengthen your immunity. Strengthening immunity is all the nutrients. What nutrients you need? For example, your RNA. RNA means what? Methylated RNA you are making it. So, SAMe, S-adenosine methionine, a universal methyl donor, you must supplement. Folic acid, tetrahydromethyl folic acid, folates, formyl tetrahydrofolate, formyl tetrahydrofluorate, and methyl tetrahydrofluorate, not ordinary, folic acid, folate. These are highly protecting mRNA messengers. Your methylation of the DNA file, they are the firewalls for you. And supplement, ordinary folic acid you must take now, and plus methylcobalamin, so that, because FTHF, MTHF, where you will go now for those kind of the folic acid? At home, you will get folic acid. And folic acid plus, and conjugate methylcobalamin, 500 micrograms. And plus vitamin D, vitamin E, all antioxidants powerful, so that you prepare your body for immunity. It's very, very important. So methylcobalamin, when it is processed, it becomes hydroxycobalamin, which body needs, and then methyl is separated, methyl gets attached with the folic acid, so that it becomes a folate. And have all the amino acids, you must supplement. That's the reason why 1 year back or 2 years before, a yogi means much advanced. He can foresee what is going to come. That's why we made all these 110 nutrients, what body needs, all these amino acids, essential amino acids, non-essential amino acids, everything we formulated. I could keep it together. If you add all those nutrients together, it will become like a cake, solid. But that is the alchemy. And all that I have done is, each one of the process, inflammation to growth, to produce the antibody, what are all the mechanisms involved, each formulation is done separately. It is a mixture of 25 formulations today. That's why it dissolves and it equips your cell to grow. At least for you at home now, you must use essential amino complex. All essential amino acids you must use now. L-arginine also you must use. Taurine is building, because when a new antibody means the protein molecules means what it will have, tell me? It is a protein molecule. What they injected is a protein molecule, and what your body has to produce is a protein molecule against a protein molecule. COVID is a protein molecule, it is an enemy protein molecule. And so that protein molecule is nothing but 22 amino acids. 8 essential amino acids, and then so you will have another 8 conditionally essential amino acids, and so remaining are considered, so 6 and just non-essential amino acids, provided if your essential amino acids can convert into this, if they can convert into this. But for conversion to happen, you need so many enzymes, you need so many vitamins. If we don't have vitamins, it cannot be produced. And for a long time, and if you are a vegetarian, definitely these are already deprived state. This is the time to at least supplement the 8 essential amino acids with all the other nutrients. At least you must now supplement yourself to boost your immunity. The moment even tomorrow vaccine comes, so it will really protect you. Because what vaccine is going to do, it will only produce, and vaccination will produce cell-mediated immunity. And T cells, it will program your T cells to produce COVID-19 antibodies. And cell-mediated immunity, humoral immunity. And so that is called, and coronavirus, when can we be free from coronavirus fear? You see today, once upon a time Spanish flu we said, and now we are not afraid of H1N1 or swine flu, etc. You can see that. And only few people get affected, dengue and swine flu. So that is called herd immunity. We developed now immunity for herd immunity. There is a word called herd immunity. We can only be free from coronavirus fear, and the day one is the corona affected people and affected and recovered people. These are called class A immunity. Class A immunity, recovered people. And then class B, or when vaccine is developed, it might take another 3-4 months. When vaccine is developed, and when people are injected, that vaccine is developed, injected with this vaccine, this immunity is superior. Type A immunity is superior to type B. But type A immunity plus type B immunity is called together can become herd community, herd. It will become, and everyone gets protected. And then coronavirus won't do any damage. That's why we have to, until the herd immunity is developed, until we have to free from the fear of corona and understand that we have to be extraordinarily careful to be protected from your amino acids. And once this vaccine comes also, when you take a vaccination, and you must be careful, you have the nutrients required, and then corona affected, automatically you will be free from swine flu or dengue or coronavirus tomorrow, corona flu tomorrow, corona influenza tomorrow, corona. And all that effort is to build. And spices like dalchini, cinnamon. Cinnamon is known. Rolled thin cinnamon, rolled cigar like cinnamon. It exhibited virus 84 it is called. It is proven. Virus 84 again is cinnamon. Cinnamon is a powerful antioxidant, what not. It has effect. And hydroxy cinnamon aldehydes. Hydroxy cinnamon aldehydes. 2-hydroxy cinnamon aldehydes are very rich in cigar-like cinnamon. Cinnamon you must use. Cinnamon oil and a drop of cinnamon oil and clove oil. Very powerful. Very, very powerful. They are very antiviral compounds. They have the properties. Green tea, ECGC. Epigalactans, catechins, very powerful, proven against the virus. That's why it is heard Chinese government has administered the tea, the best green tea extract, green coffee bean extract, and so ashwagandha extract. Now we will get extracts. Use this extract. We have herbal tea, mixture of all the top 12 herbs, immune protecting herbal tea, and add a pinch of it into and the amino acid drink and drink it. Though this 120 contains all this mixture, whatever we formulate it contain. If it doesn't contain, add little bit extra, no problem now to protect your immunity. Whether you take Pitania somnifera, whether you take Garcinia cambogia, or whether you take Comifera mucul, or whether you take Holy Ocimum sanctum, or whether you take green tea extract, whether you take green coffee extract, these are powerful antioxidant activities, protect your immunity. And they have the ability to dissolve the proteins, glycated proteins, and the protein like COVID virus. It is proven. So far, you study the research on all these herbs, volumes of the research is already done. Their in vitro studies, in vivo studies already done, clinical studies are done. Based on available data itself, that is evidence is sufficient for you. Instead of going for raw herbs, raw ingredients, go for India, everywhere available, extracts are available. Extracts 1:10 ratio, 1:21 ratio, 95% Gymnema sylvester and everything. You either get 50% concentrate or 95% concentrate. Take the advantage of phytochemicals. Instead of depending on raw ingredients, because the raw ingredient you are presuming I am taking dalchini, but are you sure that dalchini is a cigar kind of dalchini? Are you sure that is rich in 2-HCA? No. The turmeric, are you sure the turmeric? But definitely you can be sure when you take a turmeric oil. When you take a ginger oil, definitely you can sure it has the quality. Use extracts. Not necessarily 95%, at least 50%, 25%, 30% extracts, plus amino acids. So these will come with natural factors of transcription, translation factors, bioperine, pepper extract. They will allow these amino acids to build your immunity, your nutrients to build immunity. The combination of micronutrients with the nature's given herbs, extracts, and absolutely builds your immunity. It is a must today for us. All the time I am talking the importance of building immunity, building immunity, building immunity. So, how to build immunity for coronavirus? What is the herd immunity until herd immunity develops? It is a responsibility each one of us in the world to develop the herd immunity to be protected from coronavirus. To develop this herd immunity and strengthen your immunity at home by proper nutrition. This is a time demanding very good nutrition. No one is talking about the nutrition. It is the time, I am telling you, and already research proves your cell doesn't have enzymes required. Already it is filled with the garbage. So eat morning only breakfast fruit. Strictly, even for your children or for you. Tomorrow children gets, and what will you do? So, fruit only in the morning for you to restore your enzymes. And afternoon and evening, 50 grams, 50 grams, 50 grams. Go by measurement. And carbs, fats, healthy amino acids, proteins. Supplement, if required, 50 grams of amino acids. And you know, what is the antibody? 30% of antibody is made with what? Leucine, valine, and 20% is isoleucine. This is called branch chain amino. Every cell, every antibody, everything in your body is 30% of its material is made with this. Every peptide, every antibody, every cell in you. Remaining 70% is made with other amino acids. You need, these are the essential building amino acids for leading to protein synthesis, amino synthesis. They are must, these are called branch chain amino acids. Must supplement. And not only that, creatine phosphate, creatine monohydrate, which increases cell volume, which helps, which triggers the protein synthesis. Creatine monohydrate, 2 grams. First week, 4 grams, then 2 grams, or 8 grams in the first week, and then 4 grams every day before doing yoga. Consume. Creatine monohydrate, branch chain amino acids, essential amino acids. You must, and your B complex, and then your fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D, must. Wheat germ oil, borage oil, wheat germ oil, and omega-3 fish oil. If you are a vegan, it is different. Use MCT, etc. Must. Vitamin E oil. This is vitamin E oil, wheat germ oil. More than enough. You will get all the tocopherols in that. Very important to protect your immunity. D3. So D3, use it, supplement it. It is a must. So let us protect. Fats means, as I told you once again, omega-3 rich, omega alpha linoleic acid, and DHA, EPA, alpha lipoic, ALA, alpha lipoic acid. And very, very important, alpha linoleic acid. Lipoic acid is different, that carries oxygen. Alpha linoleic acid, ALA, and rich medium chain triglycerides, small size. Proteins means finished proteins like amino acids, etc. Just now I explained to you. About 50 grams you supplement, it is wonderful every day. And then carbs, and healthy carbs, easily dissolvable, digestible, negative, all vegetable, negative calorie vegetables which consume the calories, like green leaves, powerful transcription translation, soak them in the alkaline water, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda water overnight, and then cook them. And similarly, so use cabbage, cauliflower, and which are rich in indoles, cancer protecting, natural killer, tumor necrosis factor protecting, anthocyanins, and it contains so many things. Use them. Let your food be thy medicine. Let your food be like a medicine. And use, formulate it. And everything good. Don't dump the bad fats, don't dump the bad proteins, defective proteins of non-vegetarian, etc. Be cautious. This is the time to give the clean protein, not even a crude protein, finished with amino acids, so that your enzymes are preserved, your acids are preserved. If you give a crude protein, again it is becoming a defective protein in the already there is a unprocessed defective protein inside the cell, which you are not able to clean. That's why there is inflammation. And the latest research and shows on coronavirus, and so it shows what it shows. Those who are having diabetes, hypertension, triglycerides, those rich in triglycerides, these are more prone for COVID virus. They are the one who died and they have these problems, most of them. If you have the diabetes, if you have hypertension, means correct your carbs, regulate your sugar, and regulate your fat, regulate your protein. You need high density cholesterol now, or medium chain triglycerides. You don't need saturated fats at all. Extra caution you have to take if you are diabetic, if you have hypertension, if you have triglycerides. Today, this is important.